Hey guys, what's up? So to reach the top best jerseys for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first tweak is called Bayaz. It's now on Dynastic Repo. So white and black in a different way. That's what it looks like. This is called Marker. Beta 1 is out. A trackpad and swipe selection alternative. So a better easy way to move the cursor and select text on iOS. So you need at least iOS 13.0 or above. And so yeah, alternative for trackpad and modern alternative for swipe selection. You can simply swipe left or right on the keyboard to move the cursor or select a text. So the swipe selection code is messy. I picked it up. I spent so many hours trying to fix every major issue. It wasn't good enough for me, so I messed up. I started the digitally project and started from scratch without any use to the old swipe selection technique nor code. This is called Reach Info, Reachability Modernized. This is called Sort and Swipe. Sort your home screen icons with the swipe. And this is called Send to Top. Send songs to top by 3D touch or a long press. This was for Apple's music app in iOS 11. This is no longer retained. And this is called Gears, inspired by iOS 6 OTA update animation. So animate settings icon. So icon stops animating and dock. Fits this by installing Snowboard dock extension. And this is called Bocce 4. iOS 13 and iOS 14 supports brand new Bocce with per page layout support. You can easily control your icon layout with a quick swipe up on the home screen. You can drag the layout bots around to adjust the layout of the icons. You can also pinch the adjust icon size. Really easy and intuitive. And this is called Auto Recorder XX, most advanced iOS call recorder ever. So just realize that. You can record phone calls, you record on your device like voice, you record like the system audio on your device. So just make sure you guys comply with your laws in your state or your county or area. So me and the developer are not taking responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. Just please make sure you guys read the legal disclaimer before purchasing. It does support iOS 14. This is called Fly JBX. You can hide doing jailbreak your iDevice, or basically a iPad jailbreak detection tweak. Also want to mention with Auto Recorder XX version 3.5 and then -112. So with that, it's now on Linnea's repo, but with that version, if it's a crash issue when ending a call in iOS 14.x, dramatically increase loading recordings speed on app launch. Added option to disable sound on start or end of recording a voice memo. This is called Not an Imposter TV. Among Us crewmates ejected onto your home screen. This is called Big Shot JB. Take screenshots of full vertical scrollable area. So this is the Big Shot JB simple implementation that manipulates the UI Windows frame to take long vertical screenshots. No need to scroll and take multiple screenshots. That's how it looks. And this is called LPM Auto Lock Time, custom low power mode auto lock time. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. This is called Audio Mix. Tweak to play 2 or more audio sources simultaneously. Doesn't work well with all apps. Sometimes the first audio still gets paused. You still have to start it again. This is called libmero prefs, shared library for my tweak preferences. This is called Cydia Quick Translations. Now you can enjoy Cydia Quick in English and German. This is just the translation. So first of all, you need the original tweak called Cydia Quick at this repo. This is called Badge Bar, version 1.3.1. Also mobile such a tweak. Creative Love replaces the ugliest badges with Badge Bar. This is called Lumi, night mode camera for low light photography. So you can see that's without and that's with using this tweak. This is called Chimera, animate and pin your notifications. Also, I want to mention with the tweak Lumi that I just mentioned that you guys can read all about it. It tells you what it supports, what it doesn't support, what devices, iOS versions, and all that good stuff. This is called Total Charge Tones, compatible with iOS 9 up. Also, it shows a tweet that plays a selected tone alert when your battery is totally charged 100%. This is called Moonshine, Apple Watch inspired features for the iPhone. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catching this one, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.